Today's tip is one of my favorite postures. I use it a lot in my classes, but it's common that I see people doing it incorrectly. So I wanted to spend some time today to really show you how to get the best results from this pose. Good morning, I'm Krista. I'm a yoga and meditation instructor, and each week I like to share with you a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. When you're on the floor, you're gonna take one foot and bring it all the way forward. You could use blocks here if you'd like. That might make this pose a little bit more comfortable for you. But when we come into this pose, quite often I see people come here, and come here. And if you notice, I have 90-degree angles at my knees and at my hips. Really, in this pose, to get the most benefit from it, you want to step that foot forward so that the hips are in front of that back knee, so that the hips are pressing forward. And as you lift up through the chest, you're actually creating a bit of a back bend to open up through the spine. You could take those arms, maybe one or both, and reach them up. You could even keep the hands on the floor. But the key that I want to bring to your attention to today is to have the weight in the front foot and the feet forward. When you come into this pose, if you're here, you're really just putting weight on your knee and you're not getting the wonderful stretch throughout the body. The next time you're prompted to try this posture in class, I encourage you to step that foot forward and really feel that stretch in the back leg and all through the front of the body. It'll change that posture completely for you. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.